best bus sitting posture tips and tricks? Bus rides turn you into a pretzel? Here's the posture playbook so you step off feeling fresh. Sit tall like a string's lifting your head. Let your shoulders drop and stack them over your hips. Aim for a slight recline if you can, about 10 to 15 degrees, and keep your hips open at roughly 90 to 100 degrees. Plant both feet flat. If they don't reach, park your backpack under them or cross neatly at the ankles for stability. Slide your butt to the seat back and create a small lumbar curve. Roll a hoodie or use your bag as a lower back support. Keep screens at chest height so you're not craning your neck. Think ears over shoulders, not chin to chest. Avoid twisting to the aisle. Pivot your whole torso instead. Movement is mandatory. Every 30 to 45 minutes, do ankle circles, squeeze glutes, draw your belly button gently in, and shift weight from one sit bone to the other. On longer trips, stand for a minute at a stop if it's safe. Bonus comfort? Pick a seat between the axles, loosen tight waistbands, hydrate lightly, and breathe slow through your nose to keep tension down.